Hey there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. Doesn't that make a nice sound? Stove. Just a moment. So good. Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this video, I am going to make cheddar jalapeno bread. I have a basic bread recipe that I'm going to start with, and then from there, I'm just going to add some jalapeno and cheddar, and it's hopefully going to be as delicious as the grocery store ones. In the Safeways, they have an excellent jalapeno cheddar bread. You should check that out, but don't be afraid to make your own too. We're going to start by warming our milk. I'll add a teaspoon of yeast. And a quarter cup of sugar. If you don't know, yeast loves sugar. It's how it activates is by eating sugars. Ten minutes has passed. Ooh, look at that yeast. It is munching on that sugar. So we'll let that rise for about an hour, and it needs to double in size. An hour has passed. The dough looks like it's doubled in size. We're gonna knead it a little bit, punch it down, and let it rise again. We'll come back to that in about an hour. Okay, our dough has risen a second time. Push my finger in there to see if it was ready. The indentation is staying, so we're good to go. I need to grate my cheese. I want my jalapenos to dry out, so I'm going to put them on a paper towel. Pick out some nice ones for the top.
I'll bake the jalapeno cheddar bread at 350 until it's golden, for about 35 to 45 minutes to get the Dutch oven to 350. This is a 8-quart Dutch oven. To get it to 350, I I will put 10 on bottom and 20 on top. Click the video description if you want to know the math equation on how to use briquette placement for temperature control.
The cheddar jalapeno bread. Woo! Finished it last night. Had to take it inside because it got dark out here. But it almost didn't last for me to have a bite of it this morning. We just devoured it. It was so good. It looked a little doughy, but whenever I got to pulling it apart, it was the butter that was in there. It wasn't doughy. Like, the bread was thoroughly cooked. I'm rambling. But some of the best parts, I made sure that cheese fell down in the pan. And bits of cooked cheese. So good. I like the pickled jalapenos in it. I think they're so much better than the fresh ones just because it gives it a little vinegary, sour bite every once in a while. So that's delicious. Thanks so much for watching.